If you're an RV lifestyle fellow traveler, you know we love Florida.
We sure do. And one area of Florida that we really like and visit as much as we can is Florida's Gulf Coast.
From Pensacola in the Panhandle down to Naples by the Everglades, the Gulf Coast is an RVer's delight.
And that is why we are so excited to announce the availability of our latest 7-day adventure guide. This one to Florida's Gulf Coast.
Like our other adventure guides, this digital book will save you time and money, showing you the must-see things along the way, and even giving you a detailed route that you can start in either direction along the coast.
Follow the links on this page for a complete description of the guide. But if you're headed to Florida in your RV, we know that our special 7-day adventure guide to the Gulf Coast will make that trip even more fun.
Happy trails!